Okay, to add a smart view to your Blackboard from the My Fauquier Blackboard page, go ahead and choose one of your classes. You're going to go to Grade Center and then Full Grade Center. Over to Manage, and then click on Smart Views. Once you're in Smart Views, you want to create a Smart View. Name it whatever period you want. Click it as a favorite. If you want to see all of your students and all of their grades, you're going to go down to Category and Status. Make sure all your categories are selected and all of your users are selected. And then submit. And then when you come down here, you're going to have your period 1 class, or whichever one, populated, and you can see your gradebook.